Okay, so my name's Dan. I recently sold a piece of property that I've had for many years. It's kind of a piece of property that I don't know, it's been in my family for a while. I just got to the point that we just were ready to sell, my brother and I, and just sold it to Skylar, Skybuys, man. It was a great experience. Couldn't have been happier. Sold it as is. Skylar came, gave me an evaluation, walked the property together, looked at it. He just asked me what I would take, and he came up with a number that was agreeable. Shook hands, and I'm not kidding you, in a week it was done. Slick, smooth, easy. I'd do it again in a second. So.
Alrighty. And would you recommend Skylar and Skybuys.com to future homeowners?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I would totally recommend Skylar and Skybuys. Fair, honest, fast, quick, does what he says he's going to do. Really a better experience than I thought it was going to be. Very,
Awesome.
very good.
And were you able to reach a win-win deal with Skylar?
Totally win-win. He felt good about the deal. I felt great about the deal. Like I said, it was quick, easy, painless. Had I known it was going to be this painless, I probably would have done it a year ago, frankly.